DominanRise presents market education as a process of adapting to these changes with knowledge, modern tools, and dedicated guidance. The first step is understanding that markets can operate in different environments. A trending market moves consistently in one direction. A ranging market remains between visible support and resistance areas. A volatile market produces faster and wider price movements, while a quieter market may move slowly with lower activity. When volatility increases, execution conditions can also change. Price movements may become faster, spreads may expand, and reactions to economic announcements may become more pronounced. DominanRise combines cutting-edge analytical tools with educational guidance to help learners identify these changing conditions. Charts provide a visual history of price behavior. Real-time information highlights current activity. Alerts can draw attention to important movements, while structured guidance helps explain why the market environment may be changing. DominanRise encourages learners to treat challenges as part of the educational process. A market that behaves differently from expectations can reveal which factors were overlooked and which analytical habits need improvement. DominanRise supports this development by bringing together dynamic market education, advanced tools, and dedicated guidance within one structured learning environment.